Hi you guys, this is your boy J-Hen and I'm back for another Travel Tech Tuesday video. And in this video I'm going to show you one of my favorite selfie sticks, tripods that I like to use on the go for vlogging and videos. Hey you guys, so again, I just recently came across this selfie stick like in the summer of this year, summer of 2020, and this is just like one of my favorite go-to selfie sticks. I've used it on at least, I think, maybe 2 or 3 trips. I know I used it recently on one of my summer trips to Las Vegas. And actually, I took it to both of my trips to Las Vegas, and I think I took it to St. Louis with me once. But it is actually the pistol grip tripod by Vivitar. I believe it's called Vivitar is who it's made by, and I'll leave the information down in the description below. But it's called the pistol grip tripod. Again, I like it, and you know the reason I guess why it's called that is because you can actually hold it. You know, it has this nice handle on it. So you can get a nice grip when you're holding it and using it to film yourself. And you get a steady footage because your footage, most likely it won't be shaking because this is pretty sturdy. And it says it can hold up to 3 pounds. So again, I like it because if you're doing something, if you're going live, you know, you don't have to point your hand up or angle it because it gives you a nice angle right there with the pistol grip design that it has. And so one of the things that's also very cool about it is that take that off. So you have it like that where you can put your phone inside, and this does stretch. It goes from 2.25 inches to about 3.5 inches with the phone holder or cradle as it's calling it. So you have that option there. But one of the cool things is that it has a knob right here, and you can hold it and you can screw this off very easily just by, you know, holding it in place, and bam, you got this is off of there. And what's cool about it is that it does have the holes on this end, so you can have it the way I just had it, or it has holes on the bottom, so in case you had something else that you wanted to have it held inside of here, you could just screw it in right here on the bottom. If I can get this right here. So then you also have the option of, you know, putting your phone or something on this way and holding it and doing the same thing. So I like that, as well as it's cool because not only can you use it for just cell phones, if you're using like a camera, it's easy just to screw your camera on. And if you're using your camera for vlogging, you can always have your camera facing this way, or you can screw it on and have it facing the other way, and you can film like this, or you can have the camera facing the opposite direction to film that way. And then one of the things too that's pretty good about it that I haven't showed you guys is it also functions, like I said, as a tripod. So you can extend the legs out, so it does the grip holder here, the hand grip. It does extend out. It has the 3 pieces to turn into like 3 legs. 1, 2, 3. Then you can sit it down like that, and it can become like a tabletop tripod. So there you go. Boom. So if you were taking some pictures, and if you had like the Samsung app or whatever app you're using with your phone, you can walk away, be on the other side and be controlling it. Or if you have a timer set on the phone, you can set the timer and make your way to the other side, as well as, you know, you can lower and raise this too. It does move, and it moves better if you actually push it in. It moves a little smoother if you hold in the 2 red dots on the side here. If you push those in, it moves up and down a lot smoother, or you can just raise it and lower it. So that's pretty cool. So I think that's pretty cool because you can use it for multiple mounting multiple things. As well as one of the things I was able to do that I really was excited because I've been thinking about how can I mount my DJI Osmo Pocket 2 onto something. I was trying to think how could I mount it onto something and it actually be able to hold it up if I use this extension rod right here. And so this worked out pretty good this summer when I was in Las Vegas filming with a friend. I was able to set up my DJI and have it kind of follow me. And so I just used this extension here, and then I was able to screw it in here to just do some filming that I was doing. So there, I was able to screw it in, and then with this, I was able to like level it out how I wanted it to be leveled out, and then I just was able to use it with my DJI Osmo Pocket device. And then this extension rod actually goes up and down, so too I could use this to film, and it's built to where it can actually, you know, hold this in place. So there you have it, using it with my DJI Osmo Pocket, DJI Osmo Pocket, using it with that. So I really like that. So this worked good when I was inside of a restaurant and I wanted to film with a friend and we were having a conversation, like I said, in Las Vegas. This is the setup I use for that. So I really truly like this, and I recommend this for you if you're a YouTuber, if you're just a person that likes to go live. And then it's just like when you're holding it out, it feels like you're at a good range. And you can even have, like, you know, your elbow can be bent, so it's not like you have to be so stretched out. You can have your elbow just like that at a good length, and you can feel pretty fine. It'll feel actually very natural when using this. I'm trying to think. So I showed you guys how this piece here can go, how this can bend back and forth. So depending on how you want that to go. And just a few facts on the box. So I said they say it can hold up to 3 pounds. They say it's compact, portable, and lightweight, which it is, very lightweight. And they're calling this a vlogger series. It says that it has a slip-resistant rubberized grips that they provide, and it's actually true right here on the bottom. They do have the rubberized grip support here. So if it is like on a surface or table, it shouldn't move. Or at least that'll help it to keep it from moving. Easy fold out legs with anti-slip feet. And yep, that's where the rubberized grip come in. And you guys saw how easy it is. Just easy just to, you know, open it up like that. And it kind of locks in place. So you know it's secure. Push lock system to easily adjust the mounting plate at your desired position. So they do have the push lock system here, which I was doing, or you can pull it up and down too, but you know, they have the push lock, as they say, so it can kind of be locked in place. And it's compatible with cameras containing a standard 1/4 inch tripod screw mount. So it's probably compatible with most cameras or mounts. So it says as long as it's a 1.4 inch tripod screw mount, it will be compatible with that. So just something to think about. Like I said, this is one of the things that I have used a lot when I've done lives. Oh, even when I did a video in Port Washington, Wisconsin, I used this tripod and selfie stick too when I was in Port Washington, Wisconsin, doing some wine tasting and filming. So I really like this. Like I said, it's very light. I'll leave the description down below. Let me know if you've used something like this before. Let me know if you're thinking about getting it. Let me know. You know, holler at me down there in the comments. Let me know what you guys think, or what's your favorite selfie stick to use. All right, until next time, peace.